Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are sitting at the 123 Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down right here. Now, when the market's making new highs, the 123 and the 138 are definitely areas to look out for. We could possibly get a decent little move down here, but to me, it looks like we have a wave one, wave two structure down here. So even if it does make a move down, which I don't know it will, I mean, honestly, it could just keep on going, but it could just end up going down for like a wave four and then potentially back up for a wave five. So overall, I really see no reason whatsoever to say that this uptrend is over in any significant way. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'd be very, very careful with my shorts. If you are a short time frame trader and you start seeing breaks of structure to the downside, then definitely you could start looking for shorts. Just keep in mind that the next move down could just be a wave four, which is just a pullback within an uptrend. Otherwise, if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame and above, I definitely would still be recommending longs in an uptrend. There's really no reason whatsoever to say that these higher time frame trends are over yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.